a caring community where we learn, grow, and help each other every day. Thank you.
This poster shows us all of the moral values that we must have while living in the UAE, like peace, compassion, and honesty, as well as having a sense of pride of living and residing in the UAE. Thank you.
When there is unity, there is victory. Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much.
No matter what happens, we're all humans.
United we stand, divided we fall.